Spice Diana akwatibwe. Era after my video yesterday, I thank the police that you acted. Narabyo omwogezero ko wesigire. Ng'ovuddeyo yogere ku nsonga omwana yakubwa mu kikomera kya Spice Diana. Twagala justice. Twagala bwenkanya. Dazi ku mapesa yafa, police yaleta report. Radio bamuta mu nzita yemu. Kalamaji yafa mu nzita yemu. Kati tuze wa Spice Diana omwana yafiridde gwe baakubira mu kikomera kya Spice Diana. Nafa. Twetaaga okumanya ani yamukuba. Ani yatwalira amateeka mu ngalo. Bwebanga kulu ya Spice Diana ye yakuba omwana we bamukwate. Kwa tosoraga nti he was a thief. Nzaze psychologist olabo go musango kwa Spice Diana ogw'okutta oyo omwana. Oba kulu oyo kuba omwana. But neighbor be baba waddeyo. That boy was coming to your home not more than once. Tosoraga nti omwana yabuuka ekikomera. You are the ones who opened for him. Teyabuuka. Kiri ekikomera tosobola kibuuka. Kati ani yamukuba? We want to know. Family yoyo omwana anjavu. They deserve justice. Ani. So nawa munawo abantu sente mbusibanyambu basirike. I had bimbu mwinambu be mwawadde ku sente ne bwe mwakubidde simu. Don't call my number. Ngombulire bye byekisiru byo. We want to know one thing. Who killed the innocent boy? Who killed the boy? Omwana aba yafiira wa Spice Diana should be arrested with akulu. Bagendeko ekitaliya. There is a lot of impunity in this country that when you are a musician and you are a celebrity, you can bypass the law. Ani abagamba muno tibatta abantu. It's on the courts of law. Omwana momokubye momose. Kati polisi mbwe basonyi. Ero si wano yagambye temwamubuulira nako. No. Something should be done. And by the way, government is taking this thing serious. How do you beat up somebody's kid? How? Many of the na baleta bu sympathy. You know, Junior, Spice is we are talking about murder here. That family deserves justice, and they're going to get it. Spice Diana surrender everybody yakuba kumwana oyo. Surrender them before it's not too late. I'm speaking with absolute authority. Hey, surrender the people who beat up that boy to death because he wasn't a thief. Omwana yali ajjanga makago. CCTV camera bweri. Show us what happened. Mutambula ne bakanyama. Temugambwako. Muloza line gwanga lyamwe timujja kutta abaana baba. Bwato Kalamaji bwe yafa. Nothing happened. That's Kumapesa died. A report has not been brought. Master Blaster was killed. Nobody knows what happened. We go. Even people I don't know. So there should be laws in the music industry. Music industry is not about protecting criminals. Bakanyama woba Spice tewali waka. Nga ne manager Roger teyali waka. Surrender them. That family will get justice. Olaba Kanyamunyo yagendayo. A powerful Kanyamunyo was humbled. Nga muzukulu wa Besigye. Yatakenda. Wane Rugogo. He shot the man. We need justice. Even when I'm to stay on, I will stay on, but there should be justice. Temujja kutanga abantu mumale kagenda mu kyombo because you have the money. No. So surrender the criminals. The police should come up with a report. Who killed that young man? If there was a scuffle in the house, we need to know. Surrender the CCTV cameras, the footage, so that we can really know what transpired. Okuba omuntu ne mumutuusa okumutta. Was he a thief? No, he wasn't a thief. He accessed the house at the gate. It wasn't the first time, but never bagayisigwe munundi okusasa ng'omwana ayingira ennyumba ya Spice Diana. Now, who killed the boy? Who killed the boy? Nobody is above the law. Nobody. Das Kumapesa was killed, no report. Mozaredio was killed, we don't know how that case ended. We moved on to Kalamaji, the same thing. Kalamaji entered a musician's house, was murdered in cold blood. No report. So now the music industry has now turned into a den of criminals. And as a senior citizens who sit in the government, we keep quiet. Tamale Sirika, as I'm in the state, not to protect criminality. If you are criminal, you can't be. I'm the state, and the state is me. As I said yesterday, the police entered. I saw we call after and was getting some orders from the superiors at Naguru. We are watching that case closely. What was sentenced and so could you say in the media? Tamale kwata yata no sirike. Okay, call me. Obandi revo yata. Manyimu manyira. Abayimbi mu manyira. That is the way we engage mutwala munga ba second class citizens. If Spice Dana was not at home, or manager Rodia was not at home, surrender. Now we don't cause yakwatidwa. Everybody who was at home should be under arrest. Surrender the footage, the CCTV. Nekalamaji we Eyafiira footage yabura. What CCTV? This time you will not hide it. As long as I'm still around, you will not hide that footage. We are tired of criminals. Mutabula never bouncer. Ani abagama mubere never bouncer bayimbi. Who gave you that? Bouncers are part of the security system. If you feel you are very important, write a letter to Naguru. Njikutwalewe wa IGP. Because I work closely with IGP, I work closely with anti-corruption in Mutaka. Brigadier Rusoka, Akuri anti-corruption. We can give you security. If you think you are a musician, you are important, do not kill Ugandans. Because for you, you want to act that you are very important. Mujja mabala ne mutubalako emirembe. Osaza abantu bano omwenge gwabwe. Ozene babawunsa bakanyama bana. Mbubagadde aye president. That idiot. Go and build your own buzz. Who has called you? So this element of people that are untouchable, enough for them they can do things and go away. It is high time we end that as a country. Otherwise, people's children are going to lose their lives in innocence. None of your family, I felt so bad. I felt so bad. I told you, Nagende was papa recently. I never genova nabeba neighbor, ngate bankuba masasi. Mukuba na baba ntute mugambwako wano yo wizo yagenda nakuba house boy we. Story mwajire bakwanikati. Wizo yakuba house boy we. No, we wasn't arrested. Mpaka bajjo we yabiyingiramu. That trend of musicians killing and beating up people should stop from today. We are dead. No one okay, you wait. You know who I am in this country. You wait. Some of you mundos, you don't know me. I've already written a letter addressing the issue to powers. No stone will be left unturned. Who killed the boy? Spice Dana, you still have time to surrender the criminals. Surrender. But neighbor Bagambia, the boy was a usual visitor at your home. How could that? Kakati ataba the usual visitor at for Katia fifth. Kade tulageche yabadabi. It show us what he had destroyed. This business of you watch the police tajigo baba wambi. Top of the police. Oranga jeno mozina yalu. Nah. Amaroba batugamba tugenda mu government eddako tugende. Ebitu byamwe namwe mbikoye. They are telling us, Junior, you wait, we are going in the next government. Simanya bansubiza dobwa minister. Tulinze kwa president Museveni yansubiza obuyinza mu 2009. Twalinze president Museveni afande muzinga twegalidde mu kisenge. Nagamba jeno muzi mu 2090 Junior mu obuyinza. I'm part of the succession plan. Kyora nga bali banzise those criminals. They wanted to kill me because they know mubana askira president Museveni amudea. Gwe wanondo okubera mulandizi gwe wanonda. Are you the one who appointed him? Manyaba na Uganda mdoza we mutulaba mutuzalawa. You think we are your class? Until when you know that Junior is not in your class. When I speak facts. I'm part of the Genomozi bigger project of succession. Akatigwadako. Just banaba no kubera mu bya kisero byamwe. Mbofiriye dictator ferero mbu yentebe muntebe byo twabibadekera byamwe abavu. Kubera okuyimba nga abayudaya we bayimbanga mbu Jesus Christ ajja kujja abagireko Julio Caesar. Just stupidity. Mpacha ayiwange. Ondetere nebyo kulya byange wali wansi byendi. So Spice surrendered the criminals. Surrendered them. A committee of investigation should be put in place so that we get transparency on what happened on that day. Who killed the boy? Who beat up the boy? Why? We need to answer 3 questions. Who killed the boy? Who beat the boy? And why? Police answering. Then we shall check. Tamarendo ze yolwalero njimalire wano. Tamale yolwalero. Wano sibera naye twayimirira naye recently nga bamukubye engalo. Mbo she's dikiphobia. Bwe nawulidde. Investigation the police ze yakola. Mbo shiba is dikiphobia. Mbo atya nyosa. Abayimbi nabo kuba na kyejo kati siboti obugalo bwa nasu nga some people's daughters are swallowing big huge nembu yeka nasu keka mukabya I've been raped. Oh, they fingered me using a kanaswi eranze I'm not moving banange siba nena awoti yanyo katika naswi koka ask your friends. What do they swallow? They will tell you that Shiba tuleke Shiba. Ne police yonna nebera ku bunkenke. Mbo Shiba bamutekayo kanaswe. Up to now near investigations. Nembuza nategeddeko mbu is dickphobia. Mbwatanye ebintu ebinene. Shiba mbwatanye obuntu obunene. Nga naddala nga busongovu. Mbwera mbu nekusomero mbu yete yawandiisa ku pen wadde pencil. But as long as something is a little bit big and sharpened, so, but we stood with her. We wanted her to get justice. Never nyo camp ya Jeno Mohoze yabiyingiramu so that yakuba siba kan naswi. Akwatibwa.